Hello everyone, welcome to our first Tech Tarik Talk series. My name is Saswin and joining me here today is Sudan. Hi Sudan, could you tell me about Self-Driven?
Hi Ashwin, thank you for having me. Self-Driven is a SaaS-based employee engagement platform that was established in 2015 with our HQ in Singapore and our development team in Malaysia and India. We develop solutions for employees to manage themselves better in learning, productivity, and collaborations. We also help managers to improve how they engage and collaborate and motivate the team. We leverage gamification technology, analytics, and digital nudges. Self-Driven is optimized to empower and drive remote teams, and our mission is to enable a world where employee well-being is the key to company success.
Right, that's great. So Self-Driven has been using Azure since the start of your company itself.
Exactly. We were actually born in Azure. Even our MVP was actually done from Azure.
Right. So could you tell me about what you have over here, your architecture over here, and share about why do you actually build on platform as a service?
Right. Our goal when we first designed this architecture was to be more focused on platform as a service so the development team can focus more on developing the product and not have to worry about the infrastructure. We have Self-Driven in browser, mobile, and also we recently launched our Teams application. To connect to the service, we first connect to the API gateway, and from the API gateway, the traffic is distributed to multiple microservices. We have microservices hosted on app services, and we have microservices like survey, quiz, rewards, etc.
Right, I can see that there's AKS as well. How do you use AKS?
Yes, all our latest features of microservices is developed in AKS, and we have eventually plans to migrate all our app services to AKS as well.
Great. So you have different microservices that are basically deployed in app service and AKS as well.
That's correct.
Yep. Great. So another thing that intrigued me about this your architecture over here is that I see that there's serverless technologies that you're using like Azure Functions and Logic App. Could you share me about what do you do over there?
Yes, so we use serverless computing to do event-based processing. We have Azure Function apps and also Logic apps to do our weekly leaderboard announcements, and also we use it to do our video compressions.
Right. Okay. So on the video compression piece, how do you do it in this architecture?
Right, we have a social feature like news feeds where we allow users to upload videos, and we have generally the video sizes that's being uploaded are in large in resolution. So that triggers the function apps or logic apps, and then to compress the videos into multiple lower resolutions to make the video accessible for a user with a low network.
Right. Okay. So over here, basically, you have a block trigger that triggers the serverless technologies over here, which is Logic App and your Azure Functions.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. So another thing is that the users are able to actually upload to blob storage directly. How do you secure that, and why do you actually choose to use this architecture?
Right, we actually implemented a lightweight authentication for it to be securely uploading the video. So we have users to connect to API gateway, and then they would the API gateway would return a secured shared access key, and using that the user can directly upload the videos to the blob. So that way we don't have to burden the API services.
Right. Okay. So basically, it frees up your API to actually serve the real traffic, and then for uploading, they only get the SAS key and upload it directly to blob storage.
Yes, that's correct.
Right. Cool. So maybe we switch a bit of gear over here. Is that I see that you are also using Azure DevOps. Could you share about how do you do DevOps in Self-Driven?
Right. Our primary language is .NET, and our preferred IDE is Visual Studio, and we actually have agile methodology in Self-Driven. So we have running 2-week sprints. We have user stories stored in the storyboards, and also we have repositories. We are using Azure Report to store our source codes. At the end of the sprint, after QAT and release team approval, we have the release happening directly using pull requests and Azure pipeline. So all of this is automated seamlessly.
Right. So you basically do CI and CD from development until the deployment itself.
Yes, that's correct.
Yep. So Sudan, thank you for sharing with us today, and I hope you enjoy our first Tech Tarik Talk series.